Hello everybody, I'm going to do this mysterious unboxing or mystery unboxing. I'm pretty excited about the things that are in this box, and I want to show you guys what it is. Okay, here we have Walk With Me. Do you know your walking routine? Okay. I just got this because of these two accessories that I think are really cool. There you have like me walking, having fun. Activity meter. Okay. And then you use your Nintendo DS, 3DS, Nintendo DSi, whatever. I think it would be cool. That's for the accessories, and it's really cheap, so why not? So that and these. Really cheap, probably got it for like €7, something like that. You're in the movies, got it for the camera, Xbox, the Xbox camera. Hollywood in your home. Some people having fun. So yeah, I just got it for the camera, and that's all. Mainly just for the accessories, but I think something nice to have, and if you can grab them for cheap, they're good. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.